गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सुबह हो गई है दोबारा से एंड द प्लान टुडे इज़ नाइस। आई मीन ऑब्वियसली द प्लान इज़ नाइस क्योंकि हम कहीं जा रहे हैं एंड विल बी डूइंग समथिंग, थोड़ा ट्रैवलिंग है। और कहाँ जा रहे हैं? इट्स अ नाइस प्लेस ऑब्वियसली, बट द आइडिया ऑफ गोइंग टू दैट प्लेस इज़ टू नो समथिंग अबाउट द प्लेस एंड नॉट अ मियर विजिट। हमारे साथ सूरज होगा ही, who is a localite, so वो हमें बताएगा about a little bit of history. So let's go and we'll see, we'll figure out, we'll know probably कुछ नया आज. See you.
कैमरा रेडी? हाँ कैमरा है, देखो बहुत ही कैमरा
यार सब रेडी रेकॉर्डिंग सब हो जान छातिर कैमराटा लागिछि. चलो बस ସେମାନେ କ୍ୟାମେରା ଖୋଜି ଖୋଜି ଆସିଥିଲେ. କ୍ୟାମେରାଟା ଲାଗିଛି କୋଉଠି? Having a camera is important, you know. If you see, this is a palace.
हाँ हाँ
एटा को पैलेस सूरज एग्जैक्टली
गड़ राजांकर
माने कोन
गड़ राजा
गड़ राजा पारिकुद
and your favorite bougainvilleas are here.
yes absolutely. Bougainvilleas are all time favorite.
बहुत नष्ट है कि पड़ी बहुत भाग्य.
So this part of Odisha is not aware to a lot of people, but now we are at Parikud Rajbhavan or palace जोटा कहते, and as you can see this whole thing, I think ये पोर्ट्रेट के this side they have maintained a bit, but mostly it's not so well maintained anymore. But yeah, I guess एवढा सब नुआ कर रंग ही जेबे ना
ना ना ना
आउ
पुराना
सेई टाइम रो रंग एपंत अछि.
हाँ
कौन कहूच तमें?
नहीं नुआ की रंग है नथी बougainville
कहीं
एते एते दिन एटा रंग की करिवो काहे करिवो फर्स्ट तो रंग ना.
अच्छा हो भल कथा जदि रहना, बट हाँ दिस प्लेस इज ब्यूटीफुल. सुंदर जगह छोटिया जगह
छोटिया पैलेस टी
पैलेस तो पैलेस हो जे रोतले से राजा. हाउ डज एनीथिंग एल्स मैटर?
So this is your first time experience here?
Yes, kind of. Yes.
Say back jagrata rekha.
So we are off.
Yes, we are off.
It's a good experience. मैं जाऊँ छु कालीजाई. We are on the way to Kalijai, correct? Yes, and it will take us quite some time. We are on a boat, and yes, it's a good experience here. Let's see how this turns out to be. So it'll be good.
Yeah.
I prefer being optimistic.
It will be fantastic, don't worry. I have been there, I know.
Okay, so Suraj says this will be fantastic. And chalo.
Let's start. Joy Ma Kalijai.
जय माँ Kalijai. Chilika looks like बहुत ज़्यादा कोहरा है, बट ठीक है. आई मीन Isn't this beautiful? how infinite this looks at this point. This just endlessness. You everywhere you see there's no end to it. और ये side एकदम this all you see is a lot of कोहरा. This was the ultimate goal to experience. यही experience करने आया था मैं. And nice. ये शांति, ये सुकून, यही है. So हम पहुंच गए हैं कालीजाई मंदिर, which is basically island, and the temple here. Now the entire point being, this temple was built not as, the king built it not for the goddess but for a devotee of the goddess. That is the entire point of this place. तो इस बारे में ज़्यादा बताएंगे हमको सूरज. वेयर इज़ ही नाउ? आई थिंक आई लॉस्ट सूरज समवेयर. गिव मी अ सेकंड. सो सूरज, आमे कालीजाई मंदिर आसछे. नाउ वी आर एट कालीजाई, करेक्ट?
Absolutely.
And as you were saying, this is not a temple of the goddesses herself, but a temple of one of the devotee of the goddess.
Absolutely.
Correct. So I would like you to tell the story, so that everyone can know.
Okay. So जो स्टोरीटा वर्तमान मु कहिबी, I really don't know whether it's a true story or whether it's a fabricated one, but yeah, let's consider it as a story that inspired generation after generation. Point होची कि there was a girl from Banapur. Her name was Jai, and she was getting married. Sarila pore, she was supposed to go to Parikudgad, fine, to her in-laws. तो बाटरे जेता बेले ता बाबा उसे आसुथिले बोट रे, for some sort of inconvenience or maybe बहुत लोग कहती ते गोटे बहुत बड़ा झड़ हैला. A storm happened and that boat drowned into the water. So somehow her father survived, किंतु unfortunately Jai could not. Now
So her name was Jai.
Her name was
The
Jai.
name of the bride was Jai.
Jai,
Correct.
absolutely.
So then the king got a dream.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's from Ma Kali,
Since
probably.
Jai was the devotee of Ma Kali, so the king of the Parikudgada, he got a dream, and perhaps goddess Kali appeared in his dream, and he suggested the king that there is somebody, a devotee, who is, her soul is not escaping from this earthly bound. You have to go and you have to build a temple in her name.
And that temple got named as Kali Jai.
Kali Jai. Kali is from Kali and the name is from Jai, that Kali Jai. That's how this beautiful temple
Now
is
this
here.
temple obviously is very beautiful. Thank you Suraj so much. And abhi it's very hot as well because the sun has come up. We are still in jackets. Beautiful island right in the middle of Chilika. Chilika itself is no less than an ocean because it seems to be endless.
Yeah, exactly.
Correct. So in between and infinite, there's a beautiful temple, Kali Jai, and a lot of people come here with a lot of belief, if I'm not wrong.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So this
absolutely.
is a place that we can consider as, it keeps a lot of beliefs alive. Because the
Absolutely.
story you said is also a belief.
Yeah, exactly. It's
It's what people believe.
this is what people believe, and a lot of people believe that keeping some sort of mannat over here definitely gonna fulfill their desired dreams, whatever they have wishing for a long time. If it is not coming true, then definitely if they do some sort of puja and visit this place and offer their obeisance to the deity, then definitely it will come true. People say that some sort of wishes.
So come to Kali Jai.
Yeah, come to Kali.
Come to Kali.
Come to Kali. Even if you don't have any wish, then also come to
Come to Kali Jai because obviously, no doubt, it's beautiful.